Here we are on the world's largest cruise ship, Royal Caribbean Wonder of the Seas. We are docked in Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. My first time being here, and it's a mostly cloudy day. We got off and on sun and showers, but we are here in Puerto Plata. There is a port. Don't know the name of it, but that's where a lot of the tours go. You can see right there some tour buses and people walking around, and it's a little fort there. You can see showers off in the distance. The flow rider is on, probably for staff only. I'm jealous. And there's Puerto Plata and the high mountains in this area on Royal Caribbean Wonder of the Seas. Let's go on to the other side and check it out. There is the ultimate abyss. It's a dry slide. It goes all the way down from deck 16 all the way down to deck 6. 10 stories. Pay no attention to that music. This is a playscape for kids. Let's go over here to the other side of the ship, and you can see where we were docked, are docked. This is the back of the ship. There's the Aqua Theater. And they have some wind turbines actually up in the mountains. It's really hard to see them, but the second peak over, there's like a little valley, and I see several wind turbines out in this little area. And we have another ship docked next to us. It's a baby ship. It's the Oceana Riviera. But look how small it is compared to this monster. So there is Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. It's free. Turn on the notifications for more live and recorded videos coming from another Royal Caribbean ship near you. Peace out.